Welcome to my channel. Today we will see the ARFUN 19 Pro, a 19mm FPV racer, micro brushless FPV racer. We will not spend so many time to list all technical details that you can see on the technical sheet, but we will try to find the best configuration to understand how it flies. We'll try to understand what are the best batteries, the best propellers between 3, 4 or 5 blades, and so on. Let's see the box content. Starting from the box, we are in front of a very tiny object, the quadcopter, some velcro for batteries, the battery, 3 packs of propellers in different colors, some zip ties, and the screws for propellers. The transparent jump fan 4 blades propellers are some of my preferred propellers for micro brushless. The included battery is a 2S530C. We have a JST connector, but we will try to change the connector with an XT30. Quadcopter is able to fly with the 3S LiPo. We have also on the motors the holes to fix the propellers. The cam is a 700 TVL CMOS camera. We have a 4-in-1 ESC board with BL S20 ampere, able to run with the D-Shot. The flight controller is an F3 SP Racing with USB port accessible. We have also a buzzer with LED. To access to the receiver, we have to remove the top plate. We can see the button for bind. My version is an FR Sky, but we can have also the DSM2 or Fly Sky version. So let's try to bind in D8 mode. Fixed LED.